I want to talk about the wonderful use of retention tape when preventing blisters. Before I start, I do want to say I am not a medical expert. I am simply just giving some tips based off of my personal experience. So, this retention tape is a 2-inch by 11 feet long. So, the number one thing I love about it is it's cost efficient because it comes in a roll and not those individual size packets you see with other type of blister prevention or bandage products. Also, you can cut it to any size that you want. Band-Aids can get really complicated. You're looking through the box or trying to go buy a different type just to fit a certain area. But I'm gonna use my daughter's baby doll for demonstration. I do have one already on there if you wanna see how flexible this is. So to me, it's even more flexible than bandages, things like that. So you're gonna start by cleaning the area with alcohol. That's gonna dry everything out and really make sure that the tape adheres well. Then, because this is a pretty small example, I'm gonna cut a small strip. Do make sure your scissors are pretty sharp. So, the other wonderful thing about this, besides the cost efficiency and the flexibility of the tape, is that there is a split down the middle. So you don't have to peel everything off. You can place it on the area with one side. See, it goes over the curvature of the heel really well. Then I'm going to peel the other side off, place that around the heel, and this will stay on through those weddings that we're dancing, the graduation parties, the hot summer day that we're outside in a ceremony or a birthday party. Just anything where you're gonna be in uncomfortable shoes, or there may be new shoes that you wanna prevent blisters. This is an absolute must. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will link the tape down below. Thank you.